Good morning. How's it going, guys? We're here doing another oil change on a 1997 Dodge pickup. This is a 1500 Ram, and it happens to be the 5.9 liter V8. And today we're doing an oil change, fuel injection cleaner with PI Performance Improver. We're doing our 1 year, 25,000 mile oil filter. Filters at 98.7% efficiency. And we also have our preferred customer membership. These awesome advantages: pay wholesale prices, comp shipping, exclusive offers, and all different things. And what this is it's a quarterly AMSOIL magazine that gives you all kinds of useful information on taking exceptional care of your car. It's time to get started. This is AMSOIL 100% synthetic Signature Series motor oil. It's good for 1 year or 25,000 miles or 700 idling hours. Put this in your car and drive super far. All right, now it's time to crack her loose. We got our breaker bar and 16 mil socket. Let's do it. Alright, let's do her. Alright, here we go. All we do is loosen up our oil filter and we're good to go. There she is. Alright, you can see up here, I've never seen oil continue to keep draining out of the oil filter spot on this truck. It just keeps running out. You see it? You see that oil running out? That's something. It's time to go ahead and prep our oil filter. So this is all sealed up. Extra protection. Just go ahead and pop her out. And what we're going to do is go ahead and fill her up a little bit. This oil filter is on an angle a little bit. It goes underneath the car at this angle. So you just want to go ahead and fill her about 3/4. That's it. And now we go ahead and rub our gasket. Make sure it's nice and lubricated. And that's it. Time to go on. All right, now it's time to go ahead and feel her up. Pouring in that liquid gold. Cheers to 1 year and 25,000 miles. You guys want to hear a really unique sound? Come on in, listen. Now it's time to put PI Performance Improver in. This cleans your fuel injectors, it cleans your valves, it cleans all the ethanol tarnish out of your fuel system in just one bottle. And it improves fuel mileage up to 5.7% in just one treatment. Let's do it. You never think cleaning your fuel injectors could be this easy. Cheers. All right, we're all wrapped up on this beautiful 1997 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.9 liter. And we did the AMSOIL Signature Series motor oil change. Good for 1 year, 25,000 miles. PI Performance Improver Fuel Injection Cleaner, oil filter. And the only last thing to do is to AMSOIL it. Boom. AMSOILed.